Now let's come over and look at the European indices next, starting with the German DAX. So we came very, very deep overnight and first thing this morning and are starting to bounce now. I think we're in this four in a final diagonal, and then we come down, make a fifth before we get the bigger move up. If we can take out the channel of the diagonal followed by these fib levels, then maybe the bottom is already in. So looking up either way in the short term in the German DAX, and you can see just how deep this came this morning. Let me just take it over to the 15-minute chart. It came right down. That's an A wave up, and we've got an A, B, C back. It came down and hit the 886 retrace on the nose. Now, what we now need to see is this level here taken out at 11,680 to confirm this lows in, and then to continue to push higher over the next few sessions in the German DAX. UK FTSE, again, we're just meandering around. It doesn't really want to get its backside up off the floor, the FTSE. It can still drop down to 68.99, but either from the last low or one more squiggle, I'm looking for this to start to push up more strongly to confirm that we are still going to see higher levels in the UK FTSE. And then just bringing it down to an hourly chart, you can see there, you know, considering the ranges we've had in the DAX and the US markets, the FTSE is almost asleep here. So we need some more price action before we can ascertain whether the count we're following is the correct one.